Okay, so we're here in Newcastle building our new showroom, and I thought I'd take this time to show you how our lift shafts are constructed. As you can see here, there's no load-bearing walls. This is purely just a timber studded frame wall, so typical of a brick veneer or timber frame home, normal Australian construction, because our Australian manufactured Compass home elevator has its own steel self-supporting structure. Okay, so the main benefit of this is that typically a European elevator requires a structural or load-bearing masonry wall. So the cost to do something like that is somewhere in the vicinity of $10,000 extra to create a solid concrete masonry lift shaft versus a traditional timber framed home construction. So these lifts can go into any type of homes, whether it's a new build or existing build, simply because of our independent steel self-supporting structure. So if this interests you, get in touch with us. This showroom here in Newcastle will be open shortly, or we've got another showroom in Western Sydney.